Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. Let's get this one started. This video is going to be on, I don't even know what they call this, but you know those forever flowers, the roses that's really expensive? So we're just going to do a DIY. This is my first time doing this. I don't know if this is going to work. I looked at a couple of videos and I decided that I'm going to try it. So I bought me 6 roses, half a dozen of roses. This is an old Nest candle box. And I cut some of this little styrofoam stuff and put it in there. I just traced the outer portion of this and then stuffed it on the inside of it. So what I want is, I want the roses to just barely be above the top part of this box. Yeah, I'm gonna cut right there. I don't know if I should have cut it at an angle or not, but yeah, that's just gonna go right inside this little cute little box, little black box. That's gonna look so cute. That's gonna look so cute. And we got the wax is still going. Let me turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna cut all of these. Yeah, I can't believe how expensive these are. These roses. I mean, like for 6, it's probably like $150 or more. So yeah, I decided to just try to do it myself. And this is actually some wax. This is the wax that I'm using. I don't even know if this wax is going to work. I've been having this wax for many years because I actually have one of these little things that you put your hands in and wax them just to moisturize them and things of that nature. But I never used the wax. So I decided to see if it'll work for this. We'll see. Hopefully it will work. Okay. Now we're just gonna cut them all. This is my first time doing this, so yeah, we're gonna see. So we got all 6 of our roses cut kind of short. Okay, so in the meantime, I got this plastic bag to not the plastic bag, I'm sorry. This paper bag, which is a Trader Joe's bag, to lay down on the surface so when I do dip the roses, the extra wax will run on the paper. So yeah, that's why I have this paper bag. But we don't need it just yet. And I'm gonna actually pour the wax inside of this cup. You could look at your roses and see, like this petal, I really don't want this petal, so I'm gonna pull it off. Yeah, I'm gonna pull that one off. And I actually like the way that one looks. For this one, like this petal on the outer is looking a little messed up, so I'm gonna pull that one off. And yeah, I like the way that looks. This one, I'm gonna pull that one off because as you see, it's kind of messed up. Even though that one is messed up too, but I don't think I should pull that one. So I'm just gonna pull this outer one. Yep, and it looks a lot better. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it as it is. This one looks pretty good. Yep. Let's look at this one. I'm gonna take this outer one off. Yep, pretty good. And let's try the last one. I'm gonna take the outer one off. Yep. Perfect. This is actually a really good one. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Okay. This is just extra wax that I didn't use. And this is what I was going to put in the inside of the box before I found that we had that. I was just going to put all the roses inside of this and just put it in there some kind of way, but further down in it. But I found we had this. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to poke some holes at the bottom so the rose could actually stand up. I got this ice pick that we just got around here. And I'm just going to kind of poke some holes in it. Let's see if that works. That actually do work, but as you see, the flower isn't short enough. I want it a little bit shorter. I think that's going to be kind of cute. We'll see. You know, like I said, this is my first time doing it. We'll see. Okay, this is what I'm trying to get. This is what it's going to look like after I dip them. I don't know how easy it's going to be to put these inside of this little box. I'm not sure, but this is the look that I'm looking for. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I don't think this is going to work. As you see, it's clumping up. You don't want it to be clumpy like this because this is how it'll look when the flowers is dipped. I'll do an example. I'll dip the rose petal. See, that's what you don't want. You don't want it to come out like that. That ain't what you want. And then I got these little cups, got the roses in these cups, and this is just where I'm going to put them at once I dip them. And then I'm going to use these to just kind of separate them. Like once you dip them, if they're kind of sticking or if they're rolling or curling like this one did. This is what you kind of use. These are just like skewers that you do kebabs with. Okay, we're going to do the first one. And you're supposed to just keep rolling it. Just so I could get all in there, in the inside of it. Oh, shoot. I think I should do it twice. That's what it looks like. Yep. It's not the best, but you know. It's not the right wax. So we're going to see. We're going to see how these hold up. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of them and then I'll come back once I'm done. These were the first ones I did. They don't look, they look okay. As you see, they just look okay. They're not the best. Yeah, they're not the best. This is my first time. That's my first time. These the second ones. These look a lot better. That's the second bunch I did. Closures. And then these the last bunch. As you see, the first ones don't look all that good. But I'm going to go ahead and dip the stems. Okay, y'all. They're not the best, but for my first time, I think they look pretty good. Like I said, I'm not sure if that's the right kind of wax to use, but we'll see. These roses supposed to last up to a year. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'ma see. So I will come back once they totally dry to show you the end process, which y'all already seen. Once I put them inside of this box. Yeah. But right now, I'm just gonna let them dry, and then I'll come back and show y'all how it turned out. Okay, this is the end result. I think it's a fail. It looks okay, but I think it's a fail because I personally think stuffing them in this little box, which I thought was a good idea, and it turns out that it isn't a good idea. But I think it's better to put them in like a little vase or something. If I would have left the stems longer, I could have put it inside of this little vase thing here. But because I cut them, I couldn't. So I think it's I don't know. It's okay. You see all the flaws. But for my first time, next time, I'll do better. What you think, Damani? You think it's a fail?
No. I feel like you could put something like on the inside in there to make it look more like full. You know?
I actually wanted the roses to be in. I insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like. This is a perfect example of, you know, what you order, what you get.
Expectations versus reality.
Right. Expectations versus reality.
What I order online versus what I got.
But what I can do is, because this clearly didn't come out the way that I thought it was supposed to come. It looked totally different in my head versus reality. So I'm just going to see how long these roses last. Most of the time, roses only last about a week, but we're going to see. We're going to see how long these roses last. Yay. It's okay. First time.
It's not horrible.
It's not horrible.
I feel like it could have went way, way worse.
Then I don't even know if this is the right wax. So, I think no, I'm not. I was going to tie a ribbon around it, just to jazz it up a little bit and make me feel a little better. But I don't know. This is my first time. Thumbs up. Leave comments at the bottom. See y'all in the next one. Peace.